Hello guys! So today we're going to Macca's to try the Squid Game Dalgona Challenge. First, you have to buy the Squid Game Happy Meal, which includes the Dalgona candy and can come in 4 different shapes. You also have to scan this QR code to enter the game. Yay! We got 4! By the way, this is only available here in Australia and we are only trying this for fun and not to support any violence. Bawal ang OA, okay?
Ew, I wonder inside this. What if there's a door? Oh!
It's the same.
We had the option to choose our main meal, so I had a Big Mac and the kids chose chicken nuggets. After this, we went home to play the game. Again, this is just a game and that is just a Nerf gun.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Concentrate.
Broken. Ilang minutes na?
You got 8 minutes more.
Wala.
Almost 9 minutes.
Ang kapal eh.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya nga siyang matusok eh.
Or maybe you just
Tumagos.
Oh no!
Mahirap. Kapal eh. Lulo ko, Carlos eh.
Time's up na.
Sabi siya masyadong manipis to eh.
It's still
Lapit na,
trying.
Ayan o. Ready?
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay. I can do this. Competitive. Agad-agad.
Wala. 30 seconds.